To support us, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Your support makes us happy. 2 shadows candlesticks, 2 shadows candlestick on resistance. Orders are here. Sales orders area. Local resistance. Nearest resistance. Sales orders area. Back candle. Back price. Orders are here. Sales orders area. Design local resistance. Nearest resistance. This is local resistance. We draw very carefully. Orders are here. We draw very carefully. Look at the mouse. Look at the chart. Please continue. We continue. Please continue. The best star candlestick pattern. 2 shadows candlestick on resistance. 2 shadows candlesticks. Sales orders area. Orders are here. Two shadows candlestick on resistance. Two shadows candlestick on resistance. Orders are here. Please be sure to choose the best stop loss. This is stop loss. This point is stop loss. This point open position. Open. Open position. The next support is profit. Please choose the exact profit. First profit. This point is profit. Two shadows candlestick on resistance. We continue. Please continue. Open position. This point open position. Please continue. Continue. First profit. This point is profit. This is the profit point. The next support is profit. Great profit. I suggest check out my videos every day. I suggest please always test on a demo account first. Choose the best symbol. Time is very important. Practice a lot. Practice every day. Watch this video many times. Specify the closest resistance. Nearest resistance. Orders are here. Sales orders area. The strongest resistance. Two shadows candlestick on resistance. Sales orders area. Very strong area. Orders are here. Design local resistance. Local resistance. Design local resistance. We draw very carefully. Orders are here. This area. Orders are here. This area. The strongest resistance. Open position on the zone. Please continue. We continue. Continue. Please continue. This candle is the candlestick. This is a candlestick. Two shadows candlestick on resistance. This is the candlestick pattern. Two shadows candlesticks. This area. This area. Please be sure to choose the best stop loss. This is the stop loss point. This point is stop loss. Stop loss. This point open position. Open position. Open. This point open position. This point is profit. First profit. Great profit. First profit. This point is profit. Two profit. This point is profit. Three profit. Three profit. Please continue. Open position. This point open position. Please continue. Continue. This point is profit. First profit. Two profit. This point is profit. Three profit. This point is profit. This is the profit point. Great profit. Check out my videos every day. Always test on a demo account first. I suggest practice strategy a lot. Watch this video over and over again. To support us, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Your support makes us happy.